Hey guys, Mike from Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada. Here today just working on our VIP customer shuttle. It's a 2015 Cadillac SRX that we utilize to deliver our customers home and to work and pick up and deliver their vehicles. And we are installing some new rubber on her for the coming winter months. So the tires that I've chosen, because believe it or not, I don't like to install snow tires. I'm sure you can understand why when we're averaging a bunch of cars a day changing to snow tires. This vehicle in particular stays in town. So it's not a highway cruiser. It's certainly not driving to Quebec. So we've chosen the General Ultimax AW. It's an all-weather tire. It's generally a new tire, been around for the last couple of years. It is a hybrid, half winter, half summer. And what we're going to talk about today is what all-weather tires are and how you can tell the difference. Now the big thing is, for snow tires, they need to have this little snowflake and mountain. So snowflake means that it's good for snow, and the mountain means that it's temperature rated. Now surprising to me, these General Ultimax are both. So we've got nice deep grooves, and we've got lots of nice sipes to get the water dispersed in the summertime and when it's heavy rains. But she's still got lots of great traction, large grooves to throw the snow to keep the tire mated to the ground through the snow. And it looks like it's going to be a quiet tire. We've sold a few to other customers and recommended them with the same general understanding that these are not a true snow tire, but if you are not doing a lot of driving, you're averaging 20,000 K or less a year, and you generally don't go out in the heavy snow or freezing cold, these tires would probably be just fine. Now, there is other brands out there like these Minervas that are, again, a true all-weather tire. And again, the grooves in the tire are very generous. They don't have quite as many sipes as you see here on the outer edges as they do on the inner, but these are a very quiet tire. I have put a set of these on my wife's vehicle, and it is, I'm quite pleased with it. With that being said, we look at the markings on the side of the tire, and as I explained, we've got the snowflake, we've got the leaves, we've got the sunshine, we've got the rain clouds, but we don't have a mountain. So that means that these tires are not going to give you the traction that you need when the temperature drops. So if you are driving in subarctic conditions, such as out east or in Quebec during the winter, these are not going to be for you. Just something to consider, but they are definitely an option if you are in town in Oakville, just driving around, driving the kids to school and to the grocery store and to work. These General Ultimax AWs will be sufficient, as would the Minerva tires as well. Also excellent choice and very cost conscious. The advantage of having all-weather tires, of course, cuts down on the cost of having two sets of tires and having to change them over every season at an additional cost. So something to think about. Hope that helps you with a better understanding of what the all-weather tires are. Urban Automotive, safety first. Thanks for watching.